It's Monday, March 25th. These are the activities for digital media. In the stream, you're going to see I've posted the agenda. So we're going to take a look at that in a moment. But I also need you to take a look at previously in the stream. Go ahead and open up Unit 2, Activities A, because we're also going to take a look at that as well. So on the agenda, you can see we're continuing visual guidelines. We're going to work from Unit 2, Activities A. We're going to discuss design tips, title slide guidelines. Okay, you'll do a title slide activity. We're going to go over bulleted lists and those guidelines. You'll do a bulleted list activity. We won't get to graphics, image guidelines, or any further. That means your quiz that was expected to be Tuesday, that's going to be moved to about Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Unit 2 Activities A slideshow. And on slide 2, this was something that we reviewed again today. Okay, slide 2 is not new information. I presented that on Friday, so please make sure that you're looking at the information, paying close attention to the information here on the right. Now, title slide, presentation should begin with a title slide, include the presentation title, the presenter name, and other needed information. Titles should be approximately 40 to 48 points, and subtitles approximately 25 to 34 points. So I don't expect that you remember the size of the title slide or the size of the title or size of subtitles. What I do expect for you to remember, however, is the title is larger than the subtitle. And here's a title slide that we recreated. You chose your own background. Remember, you want to keep it professional since this is a professional presentation. Now, the class identified that red on blue is not a good look. That font should be lighter according to the guidelines that we've previously examined. I do expect the title upper and lower case. It should be on the left-hand side towards the top. There should be something dividing your title from your subtitle. Subtitle, please replace Denise Straight with your name, followed by multimedia design services. This is right aligned and this is left aligned. The name of your slideshow will be Slides Activity A. Moving on. So here's our bulleted list guidelines. Please make sure that you look over and you read this information. Some things that I really want to focus on is your lists should focus on one main idea. Add several supporting items. Limit your bulleted list to no more than 6. Make sure that you're limiting your long wraparound lines of text. First level topics should be about 30 to 34 points, and second level 24 to 28. Again, you don't have to really remember these numbers, but make sure your first level topics are a little bit larger than your second level topics. Okay. Now, do make sure on your list that you're keeping your information brief. Do not write incomplete sentences, and make sure that you're being concise. So slide 2, you're going to see that on the left-hand side, and this is slide 3. Again, we're not doing red on blue, so the colors that you choose need to be appropriate. A light text on a dark background, or a light background with dark text. You don't have to find these exact bullets, but let's make sure that we're okay on our bulleted items. Again, no more than 6 lines. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're okay on that. And there are 5 here. So we're okay on that. Again, this is slide 2, and slide 3 is on the right-hand side. If you have any questions about these activities, please feel free to see me. I'm available every morning beginning at 8:25 and after school by appointment.